How to convert metric units using conversion factors. Panuorin ang video ito at ituturo ko sa iyo. So this is our topic, convert metric units using conversion factors. Okay, these are the units of a conversion factors. 1 cm is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Okay, these are the questions. Example number 1. Convert 7 centimeters to millimeters. Gagawin nating millimeters itong centimeter. Okay? So again, in 1 centimeter, that is equal to ilang millimeters yan? cm. Asan yan? Ito. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So we have to determine the conversion factors in fractional form. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, kopyahin muna natin yan sa si 7 centimeter. Okay, so if we say fractional form, dapat merong over 1 yan kasi whole number yan si 7 centimeters. Okay, so we will multiply into, so the denominator dapat the same siya sa original na measurement. Okay, so since sa centimeter ito, lagay natin dito sa denominator niya 1 cm. Okay? Sumobra. Okay, 1 cm, that is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Lagay natin sa numerator si 10 millimeters. Kasi gagawin natin millimeters itong centimeter. Okay? 7 centimeter to millimeter. Kaya ang mangyayari ngayon, we have to cancel this one, si 1 cm, at saka itong si cm. So, equals, i-multiply na natin yan. So, 7 times 10 millimeters, that is equal to 70 millimeters. So, this is your final answer. Okay? Let's proceed to number 2. Convert 8 meters to centimeters. Gagawin natin centimeters itong meter na yan. So, 8 meters to centimeters. So, the equivalent of 1 meter to centimeter, so 1 meter, this is equivalent to 100 centimeters. So again, kailangan natin i-fraction yan. So 8 meters over 1, multiply natin. So dapat yung denominator na units is the same sa ating original na measurement, si 8 meters. So gawin natin dito 1 meter. So, that is equal to, pila man niya ito ang centimeter o ilan itong centimeter? Bisaya. Bisaya mong go, bisda kong dako. Okay. So, 1 meter, that is equivalent to how many centimeter? 100 centimeters. Okay? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Ilagay natin sa numerator si 100 centimeters. Yan. So, i-cancel na natin yung 1 meter at saka yung m dyan. So, wala na silang meter. Ang naiwan na lang is centimeter. I-multiply na natin yan ngayon. Si 8 times 100, that is equal to 800 centimeters. Nabawa? Okay, next, we have number 3 example. 9,000 meters to kilometers. Gagawin natin kilometers itong 9,000 meters. So, yung equivalent dito, si 1 km is equivalent to 1,000 meters, or si 1,000 meters is equivalent to 1 km or 1 kilometers. So, gayahin natin yan si 9,000 meters, that is over 1. Multiply natin dito kay kilometers. So 1,000 meters, that is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, nakuha? Dito yan, no? 1,000 meters, that is equal to 1 kilometer. So, equals, i-cancel natin yung 1,000 dyan, 1,000 meter, 1,000 meter, and cancel natin. So, ang naiwan, 9 na lang at saka si 1 km. So, i-multiply natin yan ngayon. So, 9 times 1 km, that is equal to 9 kilometers. So, this is your final answer sa example number 2. Okay, let's proceed to example number 4. Okay, number 4 example. Convert 2.5 meters to millimeters. Gagawin nating millimeters itong 2.5 meters. Okay? So, 1 meter, that is equal to 1,000 millimeters. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to copy the 2.5 meters over 1 kasi we have to determine the conversion factors in fractional form. So, times. So, ano yung denominator natin dito? We have dapat the same units siya sa ating original na measurement. So, dapat 1 meter dito. So, 1 meter, ang equivalent niya sa millimeter is 1,000 millimeters. Okay, so equals. I-cancel natin yung 1 meter at saka si m or si meter. So, ang naiwan, 2.5 at saka 1,000 millimeters. So, i-multiply natin yan. So, 2.5 times 1,000 millimeters, that is 2,500 millimeters. Okay, this is your final answer sa ating example number 4. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. Convert 2 kilometers to meters. Okay, so again, yung 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So, kupihin natin yung 2 km, 2 kilometers over 1 times, ang denominator dapat the same units sa ating original na measurement. So, kilometer. So, 1 km ilagay natin dyan, 1 kilometer. That is equal to, ilang meters yan? 1,000 meters. Okay, 1,000 meters. So, cancel natin yung km, cancel natin si km. Ang naiwan, 2 na lang at saka si 1,000 meters. So, i-multiply mo na lang yan. So, ang result niya is 2,000 meters. Okay, kasi meters tayo. So, this is your final answer. Okay, number 6. Convert 8 meters to millimeters. Okay? So, gagawin natin millimeters ang meter. So, 1 meter, ilang millimeters yan? 1,000. Ipahin muna natin si 8 meters over 1 times yung denominator dapat the same siya sa ating original na measurement, which is meter. 1 meter, yung equal niya sa millimeter is 1,000 millimeter equals, masundan. So, i-cancel natin yung 1m, sana all 1m. Yung meter dyan, hindi 1 million na, meter yan. So, 8 times 1,000 is equal to 8,000 millimeters. This is your final answer sa ating example number 6. Okay, number 7 example. Convert 6.5 meters to centimeters. So, ang gagawin natin dito, again, kupihin natin si 6.5 meters. Huwag kalimutan si units ha. Over 1 times. So, dapat 1 meter tayo dito kasi meters to centimeter tayo. So, yung 1 meter, equivalent niya in centimeter is 1 meter to centimeter. So, that is 100 centimeters. That is 100 centimeters. Equals, i-cancel natin niya si 1 meter, saka si 1 meter. So, 6.5 times 100 centimeter, that is equal to 650 centimeters. Okay, your final answer sa number 7. Okay, number 8. Malapit na tayo. So, convert 5 meters to decimeters. Okay? So, 5 meters over 1 times 1M tayo or 1 meter kasi dapat yung denominator is the same sa ating original na measurement, which is 5 meters. So, meters ang denominator natin dito. So, 1 meter is equivalent to how many decimeter? 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. So, lagay natin dyan, 10 decimeters. Okay, sorry ha. Equals, cancel natin si M, tsaka si M. So, naiwan, si 5 na lang at tsaka si 10 decimeters. So, 5 times 10 is, of course, 50 decimeters. So, your final answer sa number 8. Number 9. Okay, convert 3.5 decimeter to centimeters. So, 3.5 dm decimeters over 1 times yung denominator natin dito is 1 decimeter. Okay? So, dapat 1 decimeter is equal to cm. Ilang centimeters yan? So, 1 dm or decimeter, that is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Cancel natin si dm saka si dm. Yan. So, naiwan, 3.5 at saka 10 centimeters. Multiply natin yan dalawa. 3.5 times 10 centimeters, that is 35. 35 centimeters. That is your final answer. Okay? So, number 10, our last example, 25 centimeters to millimeters. So, 25 centimeters over 1 times cm ang ating ilagay sa denominator. C yan ha, C. Centimeters. 1 centimeter, that is equal to how many millimeters? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Equal to 10 millimeters. Nakuha? So, i-cancel natin yan. Kahit baliktarin mo pa yan, basta alam mo yung rules, kuha mo yan. So, cancel natin yung cm. So, naiwan, 25 times 10 millimeters, that is 250 millimeters. So, this is your final answer. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. See you to my next videos. Bye-bye! Next